Hey everybody, it's Bobby here again today with another great recipe for you. You know, it's hard to believe that it's Christmas time already, 2024. And there are lots of things to like about Christmas, but my favorite thing is all the great desserts and sort of taking a break from, watching yourself. You can sort of relax your diet a little bit, have a good time, and enjoy some really good sweets. So I've got a great sweets recipe for you today. And it is high octane. I think that you're really going to like it. Peppermint brownies. I love brownies, I love peppermint. Those two things together are going to be fantastic. So let's get started. I'm going to start with melted butter and cocoa powder. We're going to combine these. So let's go ahead. This is going to take a couple of minutes, so let's go ahead and take a quick break and we'll come right back. The butter and the cocoa is mixed together, and now I'm going to mix together sugar and eggs. And of course, you'll get all these amounts right here on the website. Sugar, 4 eggs. We'll combine these two, and then we'll combine the cocoa butter mixture to the sugar egg mixture. So this is going to take a couple of minutes. We'll get started with this, and we'll take another break and come right back. So it's important to go for about 5 minutes with the eggs and make sure that they're thick and pale, okay? And they look ready. So I've combined the eggs and the sugar, and I've also combined the butter and the cocoa powder. And now I'm going to combine the two of them together. So I need a spatch. That's coming. Add the butter mixture. That smells so good already. Christmas time. This year has gone so fast. It's hard to believe. So now let's combine these things together. Pretty already, isn't it? So to that, we're going to add our flour. And our salt. Beautiful. That is thickening up really nicely. So we'll add a little vanilla extract, teaspoon. And a half teaspoon of peppermint extract. A little extra. Gonna be minty. Well, there's Paula Deen, y'all.
Hi, funny boy.
Well, hey, Mar. How you doing?
I'm going to show them you in half makeup.
Half.
Peppermint brownies.
Yum.
Nice, right? Everything is combined. We're going to go ahead and add it to our pan here. Now, we put in some parchment paper and also sprayed the parchment paper with a little baking spray. So to that parchment paper, I'm going to add half of my batter, and I'm going to reserve the other half for the top, because we're going to put our home run ingredient in the middle. Ooh. I've got you wondering now, haven't I? What is he going to put in the middle? Oh, this smells so nice already. The vanilla and that peppermint together. Oh, chocolate. Ooh, butter. Oof. So good. Oops. What do you think, Teresa? Does that look like about half?
That looks perfect.
Does it look perfect? Beautiful.
What's the secret ingredient?
Oh, have I got an ingredient for you? And here it comes, and you're going to like it. We are going to layer peppermint patties all along. Oh, look at that. So good. Oh, I bet you didn't expect that, did you? Look at that. Peppermint patties. Oh, goodness. And now the rest of our batter right on top. Oh, boy. This thing is going to be so good. It already smells wonderful. So once I get my the rest of my batter in, we'll spread it smoothly and we'll pop it in the oven for about 30, 35 minutes. And we'll use the toothpick method on it to make sure when it's ready. And that is to put a toothpick in it. And when it comes out clean, we know it's good to go. About 350 for about 30 or 35 minutes. Oh, man. My peppermint brownies look so good. They smell wonderful. I'm not a real big sweets eater or a sweet lover, but man, I am a sucker for a brownie. I don't know about you. Oh, and look, this, oh, this is so gooey. They just, oh, they're so. Oh, George. Oh, Teresa. Oh, man. Peppermint brownies, are you kidding me? That is fantastic. Man, you are going to like this. Well, peppermint brownies, huge success. Enjoy. Merry Christmas, everybody. See you next time.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.